जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी कुंज बिहारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। जय नंदगांव की नाती। जय राधा माधव बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Think of the Leela. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare। Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare। Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare। Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare। Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare। जय नंद भवन की। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे Hare Rama राम राम हरे हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
राधे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम
हरे राम हरे हरे जय रोहिणी की हे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे
हरे राम हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे
निताई गौरांग
गौरांग जय निताई गौरांग
निताई गौरांग
निताई गौरांग जय निताई गौरांग
निताई गौर हरि
निताई गौरांग जय निताई गौरांग
निताई गौरांग गौर हरि
निताई गौरांग गौर हरि
गौर हरि गौर हरि गौर हरि गौर हरि निताई गौरांग गौर हरि निताई गौरांग गौर हरि निताई गौरांग निताई गौरांग गौर हरि जय गौर हरि जय गौर हरि गौर हरि जय गौर हरि नवद्वीप धाम जय नवद्वीप धाम नवद्वीप धाम जय नवद्वीप धाम
नवद्वीप धाम जय नवद्वीप धाम नवद्वीप धाम जय नवद्वीप धाम
जय राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड
राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड
राधा कुंड राधा कुंड राधा कुंड राधा कुंड राधा कुंड राधा कुंड राधा कुंड राधा कुंड जय राधा कुंज बिहारी राधा कुंज बिहारी राधे जय राधा कुंड बिहारी राधा कुंड बिहारी राधे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई
बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
हरि बोल हरि बोल
श्री श्री गुरु परंपरा की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की जय श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गोवर्धन धाम की जय श्री राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड धाम सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की श्री गौर किशोर दास बाबा जी महाराज की जय श्री भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर प्रभुपाद की जय श्री भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद की श्री गुरुदेव महाराज की श्री षड गोस्वामी भक्त वृंद की जय निदाई गौर प्रेमानंदे ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय वासुदेवाय यथा राधा प्रिय विष्णु तस्या कुंडम प्रियम तथा सर्वगोपीषु सैवैका विष्णोरत्यन्तवल्लभा तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि ना जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय देवि त्वं नय मां चरणान्तिकम् तप्तकाञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामनि गौरत्विषे नमः नित्यानन्दम् अहं नौमि सर्वानन्दकरं परम् हरिनाम प्रदं देवम् अवधूत शिरोमणिम् पञ्चतत्त्वात्मकं कृष्णम् भक्तरूप स्वरूपकम् भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यम् नमामि भक्तशक्तिकम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य चक्षुरुन्मिलितं तस्मै श्री गुरवे श्री हरिनाम चिंतामणि की नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की श्री गौरांग महाप्रभु की श्रील सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की। उपासना मंत्र ध्यानमयी नाम रूप गुण ऐकता। Yesterday we reached to the point where Krishna's name, his qualities and his form, all three are becoming one with the name. I'll just read the last verse again. Svalpadine naam roop guna ek hoye नाम लैते सर्वखान तिने उदय। In a very few days, the Nama the form and the qualities become one while chanting. And very soon, when you chant the name, all these three, they arise in your heart simultaneously. Thus, taking you into the depth of Krishna's characteristics. What happens next is described in the next. Mantra dhyanamai ei nama upasana prathamik dharaye jani kare vibhavana. Finally, when the name, form and qualities become one, the devotee enters into mantra dhyanmay upasana. This mantra dhyanmay upasana is the culmination of our chanting. In the beginning of the mantra dhyanmay upasana, the devotee vibhavana means the devotee visualizes the dham of the Lord. How to visualize? Described in the next verse. Smruti kale yogapit kalpa drumotale gopa gopi vrata Krishna dekhe kutuhale. In the mantra dhyanmay upasana, while chanting the holy name, the devotee starts seeing the yogapit in one's heart, the divine yogapit under which Krishna is standing, surrounded by cowherd boys and by gopis. He is surrounded by his associates. And the devotee sees with excitement, with astonishment, kutuhale, while chanting the holy name. On one hand he is chanting, on the other hand he is seeing the yogapit. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is the culmination of our chanting. Satvika vikaro savo haye prasfuti bhajano anandi bhakto haye pulaki. All the 8 kinds of ecstatic transformations arise in the body of the devotee while seeing the yogapit, while chanting. And the devotee becomes pulakit, romanchita. All his hair stand on the end, his throat chokes up with love. His heart starts beating, becomes pale. There are different kinds of transformations, and all this time he is absorbed in the name. The name only reveals the yogapit. The name and the yogapit are not different. They are the same. Like the name and the form and the qualities are the same. And then the yogapit also merges with the name. And when you simultaneously chant the name, all the 4 arise. Swami Prabhupada used to say that somebody in one of his books, he said, who can become a Jagat Guru? Question was asked, who can become a Jagat Guru? The definition is very simple. If when you chant Krishna, when you say Krishna, what are you seeing? Can anybody tell me what are you seeing? Do you see darkness? Or do you see Krishna's form? If a devotee, when he says Krishna, if the devotee is seeing the name, form, qualities, pastimes and the yogapit, then that devotee is fit to become Jagat Guru. Remembering this echo, I remembered the Jharkhand jungle. Mahaprabhu told all the trees to chant Hari Bol. And all the trees were repeating after Mahaprabhu, and it was looking like an echo. Krishnadas Kaviraj says, but it was not an echo. The trees were chanting, actually. They were responding to Mahaprabhu's call. I think your house also has become like that. This Gauranga Mahaprabhu's power, even non-moving things will start chanting the holy names. So, this is the Krome Jabe Nam Saurabhe Prafullit Ashtakal Krishna Lila Hoi Beudi. I thought you were inside. Sorry. When the yoga peeth arises while chanting, there is ironical. When we read about the yoga peeth, I remembered Madhavendra Puri's Baitak on the eastern, no, you can say northeastern side of Shamkund. Madhavendra Puri came here before Mahaprabhu, and it is said that there are many yoga peeths in Radhakund. Technically they are not described, but Madhavendra Puri sat down on the eastern side. There is a Ashtasakhi Ghat there. Next to Ashtasakhi Ghat is Madhavendra Baitak. Then next to Madhavendra Baitak is Gaya Ghat. They say it Gaya Ghat because next to that is Lalita Sangam with Krishna Kund. Next to that is Madhu Mangal's Ghat. Next to Madhu Mangal's Ghat is Jeev Goswami's Ghat. Jeev Goswami used to come from Radha Damodar temple to take snan there in Shamkund. Shamkund is also very dear to the Sakhis and the Manjaris, because Shamkund is the place where Radharani takes bath at 12 noon. So, in fact, my favorite place is the Manas Pavan Ghat. The Manas Pavan Ghat in Shamkund. 2-3 years back, I got some inspiration to come. I was very hesitant to do bhajan in Radhakund, because all our acharyas have said it is very high place. So I did bhajan in Gordham of Puri and Navdeep for 12 years after taking sannyas from 2001 to 2013. And then, when I came 2 years back, and I was chanting, and especially I like to go to Manas Pavan Ghat at 12 o'clock. It's very ecstatic. I mean, the time when Radhika comes with her Sakhis. And if you chant very sincerely, with great rapt attention, you can hear Radharani talking with her Sakhis. Now, Goshtendra Suno, in the Radha Kundashtakam, Raghunath Das Goswami describes that how the Radha Kund and Sham Kund is reverberating with the voice of Radhika talking with her Sakhis. And the beautiful way which Radharani keeps. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakurpad, he was doing his bhajan there, and he liked that Pilu tree very much. That Pilu tree, he was a great friend of Vishwanath Chakravarti. In fact, and this Pilu tree is very special because Radharani puts her clothes on that tree. Even now, if you see the tree, it's like a cloth stand, It's like a natural stand where Radharani is like. So the Nitya Lila it proves that the Nitya Lila is going on even now. We just can't see it with our eyes. So he used to say, I heard it, I don't know, but that if you take some water from Shamkund and put it to the Pilu tree, the Pilu tree being such a great servant of Radhika, the Pilu tree gives us Krishna Prem. And the only thing the Pilu tree wants is Shamkund's water. If we just water the Pilu tree with some Shamkund water, the Pilu tree is very happy, very satisfied. So it is such an ecstatic place. So the Yoga Peeth, the Madhavendra Puri sat down, and Madhavendra Puri himself is a Kalpavriksha tree, the Yoga Peeth, according to Gorkanodesh Deepika. He himself is the tree under which Radha and Krishna sit down. So he also sat down here, and it's a very ecstatic place there. The Babajis have katha very regularly there. A beautiful place. So Yoga Peeth Darshan is an integral part of our bhajan according to Harinam Chintamani. One of the other Yoga Peeths in Radha Kund is the Sangam Ghat, Sangam Sthan, where Radha and Krishna are meeting. Not only they are meeting in the Nitya Leela, but they are also meeting in the form of the water from below. They are Sangam. So yoga means meeting, Sangam. So in that way, the Yoga Peeth is to be visualized. Kare Vibhavna. When one reaches the stage of Nama, Rupa and a Guna, becoming one, then one should meditate on the Yoga Peeth. And when the Ashtasattvic Vikars, they arise on the body while meditating on the Yoga Peeth, then Krame Jabe Naam Saurabha Prafullit. When the Naam fragrance fully blossoms in your heart, then that Ashtakaliya Leela will manifest from the Yoga Peeth, from the Nama, Rupa, Guna, and the Dham. The Ashtakaliya Leela will manifest. It is not necessary that, it's not hard and fast rule that this sequence is always completely followed, because Rupa Goswami says in one verse, I think in Namashtakam or somewhere, that the Naam can give you glimpses. It can give you glimpses of what you are going to attain, the stage of Siddha stage, even in the beginning stages, to attract you to the Leela. So, factually you realize the Nitya Leela at this stage. Ashtakaliya Krishna Leela Hoi Beholi. I remember when I was a brahmachari, in the morning time, we do our japa. So my favorite pastime while chanting, I used to have Govind Lilamrit in my hand. Devotees used to make fun of me, but while chanting, I used to meditate on the Leela where Kundalata goes to Jawat and she brings Radharani back to Nandagaon for cooking in the morning. It's such a sweet Leela. To meditate on the Leela is, some people ask, whether we should meditate on the Leela while chanting, but Swami Prabhupada, I think Satswarup Maharaj wrote a letter to Prabhupada saying, should we think of the Leela while chanting? Prabhupada said, should we think of the Leela? It is the goal of chanting. It's the purpose of chanting to think of the Leela while chanting. Otherwise the mind will wander. So, then the beautiful Leela of Nandagaon happens. Radharani cooks very beautifully for Krishna. In the kitchen, Rohini is praising Radharani's cooking because she is the next best cook after Radhika. One of the great cooks is Rohini. And then Krishna is eating in Nanda Bhavan in the beautiful dining prasadam hall. If you see in Nanda Bhavan, if you go to Nandagaon, you climb the top from Nandagaon, and then you will come to the kitchen. There on the top in the corner, that's the kitchen. So we don't know the exact location. The Nandagaon Yoga Peeth is given, designed by some devotees. There are many rooms, 64 rooms, etc. So, but that's the kitchen is on the top. So Krishna eats Radharani's bhoga. Very ecstatic fast time. Radharani hides and she looks at Krishna. In fact, the Bhaktivinoda Thakur's Bhog Aarti, which we sing every day, that Bhog Aarti did not occur in the afternoon, but it actually occurred at 9 o'clock. You know, Radhika di gone heri noyone rakone. Radhika di gone heri noyone rakone. Tripta hoye khaye Krishna Jashoda Bhavani. Radhika di gone heri noyone rakone. तृप्त होई खाए कृष्ण यशोदा भवानी. यशोमती आज्ञा पे धनिष्ठानी श्री कृष्ण प्रसाद राधा भुंजे होए प्रीतो. ललितादि सखी गाने अवशेष पाए. You don't know this song? Nobody is singing. ललितादि सखी गाने अवशेष पाए. मने मने सुखे राधा कृष्ण गुण गाय. मने मने सुखे राधा कृष्ण गुण गाय. सुखे राधा हरि लीला एक मात्र जाहार प्रमोद. भोग आरती गाय ठाकुर भगति विनोद. भोग आरती गाय ठाकुर भगति विनोद. जय नंद गाँव जय नंद गाँव. नंद गाँव जय नंद गाँव. जय नंद भवान जय नंद भवान. नंद भवान जय नंद भवान. So this Ashtakaliya Leela is the essence of all remembrance. And at every moment in the day and night, especially if you are staying in the Dham, you should not think what you are doing. You should think what Radha and Krishna are doing. At every moment you should ask, you should think what Radha and Krishna are doing right now. Then we come to Swarasiki Upasana. Swarasiki Upasana Hoi Beudo Lila Chitta Pithe Krishna Darshano Kara. Beautiful. In Swarasiki Upasana, our heart becomes a peat. Lila Chitta, the mind becomes full with Lila, Nitya Lila. And Peet means the meeting place of Radha and Krishna. We can see Krishna face to face. Sange Sange Guru Krupa Siddha Swarupete Lilae Praveshe Bhakto Sakhira Sangete. Sange Sange means along with this meditation, Guru Krupa happens, and with the Guru Krupa in our own Siddha Deha, in our own Siddha Swarup, we attain the Siddha Swarup on the stage of Swarasiki Upasana of Nam. And on this stage, the Siddha Jeev enters into the Leela. Sakhira Sangete, along with the Sakhis. We find this example in Bhaktivinoda Thakur's own life. He was doing bhajan in Swananda Sukhad Kunj in Radha Kund, and he wrote everything about his pravesh. He heard the flute of Krishna, and Anang Manjari came and took his hand and took him to Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari took to Lalita, and Lalita brought to in front of Radharani. Of course, in his Nitya, in his Siddha Deha of Kamala Manjari, which is a 12.5-year-old gopi, whose bodily dress is full with stars. Taravali Dham Kamal Manjari Naam. So, by chanting, one can attain one's Siddha Deha on the stage of Swarasiki Upasana. Everything is possible by the name. Guru Krupa also happens at this stage. Sakhi Krupa also happens. And then when the Sakhis, they take us in front of Radharani, what happens? The next line. Mahabhava Swarupini Vrishabhanu Suta Taro Anugato Bhakti Sada Prema Yuta. This Radhika Rani, she is Mahabhav Swarupini, and doing bhajan in her footsteps is actually full of love. Sada Prema Yuta. Tara Anugatya Bhakti. To do bhajan in a servant of the servant of the servant of Radhika. Radharani's Palyadasi. Even if you become Radharani's Palyadasi, you cannot become directly her Palyadasi. You have to become her Palyadasi's Palyadasi's Palyadasi. So, this is the essence of all love. Sakhi agya mate kare yugal sevan Mahapreme magna hoye Shei Rasik Jon. The Sakhis, they instruct us how to serve. By the Sakhis' instructions, we will come to the next stage where we realize our Ekadash Bhav. So, the Sakhis' instructions, we accept them and we do Yugal Sevan. Very attentively, we serve Yugalas. And we consider the words of the Sakhis as our life and soul. That's why Narottam Das Thakur writes that Guru Mukha Padmo Vakya Chitte Te Koriya Ekya. This line is not only for the sadhak, but it is also in the siddha stage. Both these things, this thing happens in both the stages. We accept the words of the Sakhis as our life and soul. They are our Shiksha Gurus. Adya Acharya Jini Shiksha Guru Tini. Harinam Chintamani says all our previous Acharyas, our Shiksha Guru. Like Prem Prayojan Das Prabhu said about Rupa Goswami yesterday. So it was so nice, sublime, that we can accept Rupa Goswami as our Shiksha Guru by studying his Vani deeply. From his Vani, he can also become our Shiksha Guru. It is not that he is far from us. He is always there for us in the form of his Vani. So, we should consider at that stage of Swarasiki Upasana, all the Sakhis become our Shiksha Gurus, and we serve as per their instructions, because we don't have any training. So we need to be trained in the service of Radha and Krishna. Linga Bheda Vastu Siddhi. This time I want to read the commentary of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Shantadasya Sakya Vatsalya Shringare Panchati Raso Hoile Shringar Rasero Choramo Raso Ei Rasero Adhikar Shri Krishna Chaitanyero Paramanugrahi. Those who are recipients of mercy of Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, only they can understand Shringar Ras. Factually. They can understand this Madhuri Ras. Ei Rasero Krishna Janaki Yutheshwari Thakile Shrimati Ro Vrishabhanu Nandini Sakalero Prarthani. Ei Rase Krishnero Anek Yutheshwari Thakile. So Krishna has many group leaders to teach this rasa to newcomers. They are known as Yutheshwaris or group leaders. They teach this rasa to, and they are all worshipable for us. Prarthani. Tini Sakshat Swarup Shakti Evam Anya Samasta Vrajangana Tahar Rasakaya Vyuha. All these Sakhis, all these Yutheshwaris are actually Sakshat Swarup Shakti. They are non-different from Radhika, and they are Tahar Rasakaya Vyuha. They are the Rasakaya Vyuhas of Radhika. So, Srimati Ro Yuthamadhya Janito Havai Rasika Matrai Prayojan. Only the Rasika devotees are qualified to enter into the group of Radhika. Gopi Anugatya Bina Braje Krishna Seva Labh Korena. Without the Anugatya, following the gopis of Braj, nobody can attain Krishna Seva. In Ananta Samhita, Bhaktivinoda Thakur quotes this verse. It is in the Praman Khanda of the Navdeep Dham Mahatmya, that if you want the mercy of Radhika, then you need the mercy of the gopis. It's like the Bengali tune so much that while speaking English also I want to sing. And if you need the mercy of the gopis, then you need the mercy of Gaurang Mahaprabhu. If you need the mercy of Gaurang, you need the mercy of Nityanand. Heno nitai vine bai Radha Krishna paite nai. Heno nitai vine bai Radha Krishna paite nai. Drida kari Drida kari dhoro tumi nitai ro paid kari. Nitair করুণা হবে ব্রজে রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাবে নিতাই পদ সদা করো আশ नित्यानंद राम जय नित्यानंद राम
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 नित्यानंद After taking my Guru Varga's mercy, before doing my daily smaran of Radha Kund's Leela, I offer my Dandvat to Nityanand Prabhu's Baitak. Nityanand Prabhu's Baitak is on the southern side of Radha Kund, and he came and sat down there. So even though he is in Sakhya Bhav, but he may not have pravesh directly in Radha Kund Leela, but in the form of Anang Manjari, in the form of Janva Mata, he is always there. In fact, in Nityanand Prabhu's Ashtoshara Shatanam Stotram, written by Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he says that the mantra of Radhika is given by Nityananda to those sadhakas who are aspiring for Madhurya Ras. Radhika mantra do vibhu. And this is the verse, the 76th verse or something. That Radhika mantra do, one of the names of Nityananda is he gives to those who are aspiring for. If you see our Goswamis, Raghunath Das Goswami attained Braj by the mercy of Nityananda. Jeev Goswami attained Braj by the mercy of Nityananda. Navdeep Dham Mahatmya Parikrama was done by Nityananda, and then he sent Jeev Goswami to Braj. Every Goswami has Nityananda Prabhu's mercy to attain the shelter of Radha and Krishna. So, the Sakhi's mercy is the main principle to attain the Yugala Sevan. And the mercy of the Sakhis is available when we reach the stage of Swarasiki Upasana. Sutarang Shrimatira Yuthe Leela Lalitadira Gane Pravishta Hovaya Prayojan. That's why it is very important, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, to enter into the camp of Radhika under the guidance of Lalita Sakhi. Otherwise, we will never be able to understand this bhav, this Mahaprem of Yugala Sevan in its true sense. Sadhana bhajan siddhi laga lagitaye linga bhed vastu siddhi tomar kripa. Iharo adhiko ar vakya nahi spure tad tare anubhav labhi kripa bole. Eita ujjwal ras param sadhan ihate nishchay mile Krishna Prem Dham. Sadhan and bhajan siddhi come simultaneously. Laga lagi taye linga bhed vastu siddhi tomara kripaye. O Gaur Hari, by your mercy, by the mercy of Naam, the devotee attains linga bhed. One realizes one's spiritual body, one's siddha deha and vastu siddhi by your mercy. And then after that, what is going to come, my dear Gaur Hari, I cannot describe in my words. It's indescribable. Haridas Thakur is saying, Vakya nahi chale. My words don't work. After this, what is going to come? Whatever is going to come after this can only be realized by your mercy. And that Ujjwal Rasa, Paramo Sadhan, it is the sadhya. But when we reach the stage of Swarasiki Upasana, it becomes sadhan, it becomes a Ujjwal sadhan, because one has already become siddha. Ihate nishchay mile Krishna prema dhan. And certainly one will attain pure love of Krishna by this. So tomorrow we will see sadhane ekadash bhav. what are the Ekadash bhavs? What are the 11 characteristics of our spiritual form which arise while chanting Krishna Nam? And maybe I'll just read the commentary to verse 28. एही प्रणाली ते रस साधने प्रवृत्त हैलई साधनो भजन सिद्धि परस्पर अति सन्निकट होइया पड़े. This is the pranali. This is the pranali which we practice to attain rasa sadhan. Pravritta hailai sadhano bhajan siddhi paraspar ati sannikate, means we attain siddhi very close. The siddhi comes very close to our sadhan. Atya alpo dine madhye swarup siddhi hova jai. In a very few days one will attain swarup siddhi by performing the bhajan in the sequence given in this chapter of Bhajan Pranali. Yuthe sharire krupaye Krishna ichha sahaje hoye. Taha hoilei Krishna bahirmukta निबंधन जे माया माइक लिंग देह ताहा जीव विशुद्ध वस्तु स्वरूप व्रजवास करें. This linga deha, this material body dissolves and the spiritual body awakens. This is confirmed by Bhaktivinoda Thakur in another song. He says, निज सिद्ध देह दिया कृष्ण पासे राखे गिया. निज सिद्ध देह दिया कृष्ण पासे राखे गिया. এই দেহের করে সর্বনাশ, এই দেহের করে সর্বনাশ. সাধ বিকশি পুনঃ দেখায় নিজ রূপ গুণ. चित्त हरि लय कृष्ण पाश. कृष्ण नाम सब धरे कतब. O Krishna Nam, how much power you have. O Krishna Nam, by your power you are giving me my Siddha Deha and you are dissolving my material body, and you more you manifest, then you reveal to me the 11 characteristics of my spiritual form. O Krishna Nam, who is more merciful than you? There is nobody more merciful than you. And you drag me into Krishna's presence. And I am right in before Krishna. The same thing which we heard here today. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Any questions? Any comments? Yes.
Maharaj, you mentioned Srila Prabhupada's quote.
Yeah.
Leela Smaran as being the goal. You mentioned Srila Prabhupada's quote as Leela Smaran being the goal. And yesterday you spoke about Roop Dhyan as one of the means to the goal, as a part of this pranali.
Yeah.
So is Leela Dhyan also mentioned in this pranali as a means to the goal, which is also Leela Smaran?
Yeah, I mean it's said here, Krame yabe naam saurabhete prafullit ashtakal nitya lila hoile udit. So these are not only the means, they are the goal itself. Krishna's rupa is the goal. Krishna's qualities is the goal. Krishna's pastimes are the goal. But they have to come in a proper sequence. Because in the Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu it is said that Krishna Leela is like the waves coming from Krishna's form. From Krishna's form, the Krishna Leela is Udit. So unless the form is not fixed in your heart, Krishna's qualities. Krishna's qualities are like waves from Krishna's form, and Krishna's pastimes are waves from Krishna's qualities. So unless if you do go in a proper sequence, it's hard. It's to visualize the Leela. But still, it is not hard and fast. My own realization is in Nam Bhajan, it's not like totally black and white that unless you just see the form, don't think of the Leela. There is no taboo like that. That don't think of the Leela. If you are able to think of the Leela, then with the form, think of the Leela. Don't think of the Leela without the form. Any other questions? Mukund, you don't have any questions? He's taking the mic. No. Huh. So, I'm sorry for being a little late today, but I think we'll be able to complete by tomorrow the Bhajan Pranali. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Today 5:30 is Prem Prayojan Prabhu's Katha. Please tell your friends in Radha Kund and bring everybody can. And tomorrow 8 a.m. again. Sorry, now 8. You said 8 in the third last day.
Oh, the last day. Last day.
And who is the speaker in the middle?
In the middle is Shri Prabhuji Maharaj will be speaking in the afternoon.
Okay, afternoon also.
And Braj Kirtan, then
I don't speak in the evening tomorrow. Only today.
Oh, today in the evening. Okay.
Tomorrow will be a Braj Kirtan in the evening.
Oh, okay.
very nice, sweet Kirtan.
Yes. Yeah.
Really love it.
Sure. Thank you.